The S166 GPS Drone 4K is a compact and lightweight drone, weighing less than 249 grams, which means it does not require registration with the Federal Aviation Administration. Equipped with a high-definition camera that supports 4,000 pixel photos and 1,080 pixel videos, this drone offers a 90-degree adjustable lens to capture stunning aerial footage. The drone's 5 gigahertz transmission ensures smooth and stable video streaming, making it ideal for capturing breathtaking views from above. With its GPS auto-return feature, the drone automatically returns to the takeoff point if the battery is low or the signal is lost, providing peace of mind during flights. The brushless motors provide a quieter and more efficient flight experience, while the 3 replaceable batteries extend the flying time to up to 60 minutes in total. Designed for both adults and beginners, the S166 offers multiple flight modes, including waypoint flights, auto-follow, and 3 speed modes, enhancing the flying experience.